I'm here today to talk about the new BGR and the aesthetic looks. As you can see, this doesn't look like a regular Middle Atlantic rack. This has a full height door that's curved. A few other things you may notice is that the handle doesn't require a key to keep it closed. Although it is a locking handle, it stays closed on its own. Another thing you may notice is there's no external hinges. Our hinges are built into the extrusion on the cabinet. This also makes it look nicer. As far as functionality, in the top and bottom, we have 3 removable plates that can either have customers' logos put on, a acrylic panel that could possibly be backlit, or anything up to your imagination. But this rack, as in the Middle Atlantic fashion, when we took the old gym locker rack and took the louvers off the side, we've now taken this to the next step.